I built an agency website on here really fast, and it actually blew my mind. So I wanted to share with you guys what I did and how we do it. So we're going to jump into it right away here, and we're just going to build a website real fast using this tool. So I'm just in the hosting panel for all of the websites that I have, and I've just been moving things over to this platform because I love it so much. It's a little bit more technical, but you got everything you need: websites, emails, domains, virtual private servers. It's just a really good tool. So, but the thing that I really like is this WordPress AI Content Creator. So we're going to literally build a website, and we're going to use AI to really populate it. So it's a cool little tutorial. You just kind of walk through this questionnaire. So do you want to create or migrate? We're going to create something from scratch. And we're going to build an agency website here. Something, that, if you want to start an agency, start doing digital marketing and selling those services, we're just going to build something real quick. So they have a website builder you can use as well, but we're going to do WordPress just because I'm comfortable with that. A lot of people use WordPress, and it's just a really great tool. So I'm just going to leave these things here. I'm going to put in this my regular password I use for these things. And all right, we're going to just jump into there. Okay, so we'll save that, and perfect. So what we're going to do, let's do something like a portfolio site. That's what we want to do. So you can do an online store, which brings in, I think, WooCommerce. Everybody's got a blog. Again, it's WordPress, so you can just focus it on that. Business services, we could do that. Maybe we'll do business services instead of portfolio. Portfolio would be good for, a photographer. But again, we can change all this. This just kind of makes it simple to figure out, what you're trying to build. So we're going to go with business services. And then here, right off the bat, you get some pre-built websites. So some really cool templates. So if you're like a single consultant, there's a template here, creating a blue themed agency, or, black theme, a couple of different things. So you can see all these different themes here, easy, beautiful ones to just grab and go with. So we're going to find something here. Let's just look quick. I think I like this one at the top here. So this is a digital agency that thrives on your success. So I kind of like that. Let's jump with that one. And let's see. So there's a whole bunch of plugins you get automatically. You don't have to do this. I actually like SiteKit. I think it's really handy. Again, you can do all these later. We're not going to do any of them right now. We're just going to start simple. Most of these are recommended, so you don't have to keep them, but they are good. And I do like SiteKit, so I think that's a really important one. All right, you can add those after as well. So let's come up with a brand name here. Let's just let's call this the Start and Grow Agency. Okay, and then we're going to write a little description about it. So you can get someone to generate an example, like here. That's for fine wines, but we're not an Italian restaurant. So we're going to go back to that, and we're going to call that the Start and Grow Agency. And then we're going to write something. So let's just go with the Start and Grow Agency is a digital marketing agency in, let's say, Vancouver, Canada. We specialize in digital marketing, sales, funnels, lead generation, and website development. So there you have it. Let's just fix our spelling mistakes here. We'll just something simple just to start off of, and we'll go from there. So we don't have a domain name, so we're just going to use a temporary subdomain. But again, you could add your domain later, or you could add it right now. I think when you set up one of these accounts, you actually get a free domain name. There'll be a link down below if you're interested in trying this out and actually getting that. So we just sit and wait here. So creating credentials, they're basically building the WordPress site in the background. They've provisioned, a virtual server for your website, and they're uploading, I think, the templates, the plugins that we selected or didn't select, and then also it's applying the theme. and adding styles, all of that. So pretty soon we're going to get into, I think, some of the content. But again, it's using just that simple paragraph that we wrote to basically build out a website. So as you can see, we're only about 5 minutes or so into this process of building a website. And normally I've built websites from that have taken months and months to build and gather requirements, where AI is now just making things really easy to get you to a base level design where you can then build upon, modify, and edit. So again, here we are. So you land here in this control panel where you've got access to your server. This is really your hosting account. But again, you can see here where an admin panel to take you over to the site, and then here we can preview the site. Again, no domain is connected, and a whole bunch of cool things that'll show up in here to just give you some insights on this new server and website. So let's see what we built right off the bat here out of the box. So again, we've got an instant website. And again, you can look at the copy that's already in here. So if you're looking for an agency to help you create a remarkable presence online, you've come to the right place. We can help you take care of your business or take your business to the next level. And you've got all kinds of sections. Again, I used what you had in those short paragraph to really build this stuff out. You don't have to keep this. You can actually build on this and change this very easily. But again, your website's up and running. You can change the pictures, throw in your own clients. They've got some stuff here. So again, literally, we're not even 10 minutes into this video, and we have a base website, email subscription set up, footers, the works. And so there's even services pages, so we can dig in and it starts to actually show you the services. You can rewrite what these are if they, to align to your agency and the things you're doing. We've got contact us page already set up, where again, you just got to change the information. Maps show up. So again, very easily get you up and running. There's even a quote button here where you can then build your own quote page, an about us page. So very simple site, really get you up and running quickly. Now we can jump into the admin panel from our dashboard as well. And this gets us into just the typical WordPress. So again, I love this about Hostinger, where you can basically just use the dashboard over here to kind of manage your access to everything. So once you log into that, H panel, which you can get back to here, you're ready to go. So again, we're into WordPress. You can generate more content, and AI is built right into here. And then there's a whole kind of editor here to help you add your logo. So if you've got a logo, there's just step-by-step that can walk you through, how to get everything set up, how to modify those things. So again, we can look back at, these pages, and all of these, again, you can go into the pages sections here within WordPress and easily change, your home page. If you want to change that content right away and get, new images on there, it's fairly simple to just jump into the editor. Again, it'll teach you how with these different, little tooltips. But once you're in here, you can see, we've got this background image that can be changed, easily on the side here to whatever you want. And then as you scroll, all this text easily change. You don't need to program. You basically can dive right in here and make it yours. Change the colors of the background. Very simple to do these kinds of things. So all your controls on the right. There's also a cool design library. So if you want to add more sections, there's all kinds of sections you can add to get you started. Again, no coding, none of that needed. And then you can just customize these blocks. And there's literally, hero pages, about us pages, services listings in different ways. Again, all placeholder images that you can add and change as you go. Another cool feature in here, if we go back and say we want to change this image, you can easily replace down here, upload into the media library, and there's free images built right in. So let's say you want to just look for office, and we can just insert from there. And these are, stock that you can use. Again, line up whatever makes sense for you, but you get the idea where you can just easily interchange images. And again, use your own custom images that, of your company and, your people, yourself, all those things. That's what makes the most sense. So again, all the pages here, and plugins, and there's much more. If you know WordPress, there's massive capabilities you can do here, and lots of tools with AI. So I'd love to see what you can build. We built this quick agency website in under 10 minutes. I don't think there's anything faster out there, and especially to get WordPress, where you've got all the power of hundreds and thousands of plugins, to make your website better. And if you're really an agency, having one of these Hostinger accounts allows you to have a whole bunch of websites all in one, great kind of system where you can monitor, all of your different, performance pieces, all the things around your hosting clients and websites. So definitely think you should check it out. There's links down below. There's actually a discount link if you want to set this up for your business or for your agency. Check it out down below. You get, I think, 20% off. So definitely a good deal, and definitely will be happy. I'm happy with the system. And if you ever need anyone to support, your websites, or you need help getting this done, you can also contact me below. You can leave a contact or a comment, or reach out through the X platform or elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe. Got more videos coming that are going to teach you how to use technology, the fastest and most efficient ways to help your business grow. Thanks. I'm Craig. See you again next time.